Hi, I'm Ammar Fitwala, and in one of the previous videos we have seen a demo of OpenCV based Scots counter application, and from now we are going to start a series of videos to develop the same application through step by step development of code. So this is the first step, and let's get to the development part. So to start with, I'm using Python 3.9 as my Python version and PyCharm as my IDE, and we will create a virtual environment with the command python -m venv and then the environment name. In this case we will name it as scottsenv, and it should be created in few seconds. Let's wait. Yeah, it is created. Now we will activate it. To activate it, we need to go inside that environment, cd scottsenv, cd scripts, and then activate. Now it has activated the environment. We will come back to our project folder and going to install OpenCV as package using the command pip install OpenCV-Python, and it has started installation. Meanwhile, we will create a Python file called as main. Okay, Python OpenCV has been installed. Now after installation we are going to import cv2. This is how we import the OpenCV package. Okay, now we are going to create a class called as Scots, and we will create a constructor first. Now in this class we will read the live video from our internal camera and display the video as an output using this code. So to do that, we will first have to define camera port as 0 because I am using internal inbuilt laptop camera. If you have external webcam, you can write 1 instead of 0. Okay, then we are going to create another class called as capture and show. This will be our main class where all the pre-processing will happen. So we will create a variable video, and we are going to use OpenCV package cv2.videoCapture to capture the video, and then we are going to pass self.camera port as an argument. Okay, now first we will see if not video.isOpened. Video.isOpened basically returns true or false. If there is some issue opening the camera, we will raise an exception. Raise exception, error opening the camera. Then we are going to use while loop, while true, and we will read the image from our camera. So we will create two variables, ret comma image equals to video dot read. So this is how we read the image coming through our camera. This ret will return is a boolean, will return true or false. If there is some issue reading the image from the camera, this ret will return as false. So we will write if not ret. So if there is some issue, we will break the while loop. Okay, else we are going to display the image coming from our camera. So to do that, we have a OpenCV function cv2 I am show. We have to give the window name here, image, and then we have to pass this image here. Okay, now we have started the while loop here, right? And it will continuously keep showing the image. Now how to stop this process? So to stop it, we will need a key. Okay, key is equals to cv2 dot wait key. Now this wait key, we will keep checking if the user has pressed some button or not to stop the process. Okay, so if key equals to ordinal of I will be giving the alphabet as Q for quit. You can give another alphabet if you want. Then we will break the while loop. Okay, now let's call this class and check the output, how our code is working. So to do that, we will write if underscore name underscore equals to main. We have to create a Scots class object first. Object underscore Scots equals to Scots, and then we are going to use object Scots dot capture and show. Okay, now let's test this code. How does it work? It takes some time when we first run it. That completely depends on your system and your camera. Yeah, so this is me with a messy room, and so to stop it we have to press the Q, and it has stopped. Okay, now we will write some try and except error handling methods. Try, we will keep all this inside the try. We are already raising the exceptions here, and we will be using finally. So video dot release and cv2 dot destroy all windows. So that was it for the first video. We have done the setup, environment setup, and we have written a basic code to read the image from the camera and display it. So next video will be very interesting, because in the next video we are going to use YOLO model to detect our face. So see you in the next video.